Hi, my name is Heather Brummett, and I'm from Balance Physical Therapy and Pilates Center in the greater Phoenix, Arizona area, and I'm a Polestar Pilates practitioner. And today I want to share with you an exercise called hip extension in the Polestar Pilates repertoire. Deidre is here on a box, and we're on the Cadillac table, and basically we're in a position that is going to be supportive to her body, and this exercise is really important to allow for true hip extension to occur while we stabilize the spine using this box. Have Deidre go ahead and grab onto the box and kind of pull in so she can engage her core muscles and allow for that tail to be lengthened to help stabilize and give her cueing into the box, and then allow for the hip extension to occur as she pushes through the bar. Overall, this is great for anyone that needs to learn how to control their core but allow hip extension to occur. A lot of times I work with a lot of dancers, and a lot of times dancers will be moving a lot through their lumbar spine to allow for the hip extension in like arabesque movements. And so this is a great way for them to get awareness of their body, to learn how to stabilize through the pelvis and allow the hip extension. It's also wonderful for anyone that needs to work on glute activation to inhibit the hip flexors from feeling so tight in the front. So as we activate the glute and allowing the hip extension to happen, it then softens the hip flexors or turns them off to allow more hip flexion to occur. So this is great for dancers to learn in training. It's great for anyone with gait abnormalities that aren't getting full extension. So this would also be great for patients or clients that have low back pain and discomfort, because a lot of times they're doing more movement through their spine and causing that back pain to keep reoccurring versus having true hip extension ability. So this is a way that they can help control their upper body and their core and their pelvis, but allowing true hip extension to occur. Then as we progress, we can always take the box away, especially for dancers that need to learn through their full flexibility into full hip extension. So let's go ahead and do that, Deidre. Okay, then we'll bring her foot back up. So in this position, she can then push down into the trap table, elongate here, connect the ribs to the pelvis, and then she's trying to remember what it felt like to be on that box and maintain the pelvis in this alignment as she extends up. And then she can allow for that full hip extension to occur, and even at the end then she can go into full extension, then a little external rotation, and allow perhaps a little bit of spine motion with the hip flexibility, but it's all under control. And then she'll come back to finish and lowering back down. So you can see we can use this exercise for a wide range of clients and patients that we have, anyone from dancers to those that have some chronic low back pain, as well as those that have some gait difficulties and need that hip extension for a nice gait cycle.